Hey guys, it's PMHK here, obviously, and in front of me I have the iPad Air 2019 that was just updated by Apple not so long ago. I know I'm a bit late to the party, but better late than never. Now, this guy was updated and now it supports the Apple Pencil first generation and first generation only. Now, this guy also comes with an 8 megapixel camera at the back. I mean, who actually uses this camera to take pictures? If any of you actually does that, let me know down in the comments. And it also has a 7 megapixel camera in front for those FaceTime calls and selfie. Again, if any of you guys take selfie with this guy, let me know down in the comments. And it also comes with an A12 Bionic chip inside, which will give you guys that much needed speed when actually using the device itself. Now, this guy also has the dock connector down here, which will allow you obviously to connect various keyboard docks for you to actually use this and type. Now, with the new iPad OS that was just announced, which is probably coming out this summer here in South Africa and fall in the States, it's actually a good time for you guys to jump into the iPads, because that actually the iPad OS comes with a lot of improvements and a lot of feature on the iPad OS that will actually make this guy look and feel like you are using an actual laptop. Now, the iPad OS will come with features such as the ability for you guys to connect a USB stick on the iPad itself and give you the ability to actually transfer files back and from the iPad, as well as also being able to download files from the actual iPad. Now, other iPads that are there that actually could be an option if you're actually looking for an iPad to buy would be the iPad mini, which also was updated with the support of the Apple Pencil first generation. You also have the iPad, which is just a regular iPad, and then you have the iPad Air, which is this guy, which also was just updated, and you have the iPad Pros, which has the support for the Apple Pencil fourth generation. Now, this guy comes really in handy when it comes for you if you're actually somebody who draws on your tablet or who would like to start drawing on a tablet. It actually feels good to use the Apple Pencil. I've had this for almost a month now and I actually enjoy scribbling. I am not much of a drawer. Using the Apple Pencil to actually scribble on my notes. The other place that this guy actually comes in handy is when it comes to signing forms. Before, we would actually have to go print out the form, sign, scan, and then email the form. Now you can just sign right off your iPad straight up. Now, downsides to this guy is that I've been losing connection. Once in a while I have to actually grab the Apple Pencil itself and connect it to the iPad. Unlike the new Apple Pencil second generation, you just place it on the side and it charges via induction. This one you would actually have to connect it there to charge, and that's also the way you reconnect it to the iPad itself when it actually loses signal. Now, just to demonstrate a little bit on how you can actually use this guy to draw, I'm going to go to my notes. I've actually scribbled something here already, or was trying to draw something here already. So we're going to start over and see if we can do this one more time for you guys to see how actually easy it is to use the Apple Pencil. It should actually be already connected, so I'm just gonna go and select the pen. I'm gonna select the dark color obviously, and maybe I'm going to try to make you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. So YouTube PMHK, and then under here subscribe if you're not already subscribed, obviously. So now let's make it look a little bit artistic creative and artistic I can get. We are actually almost there. Now we can actually go and select a new color. We're going to use the red, YouTube's red. So we'll paint there, and color there as well. And I would like to know actually, what would you guys use this Apple Pencil for if you actually end up getting an iPad, or if you already have an iPad. Let me know down in the comments what you use your Apple Pencil for, and if you actually use it that much. What I've actually found myself doing is using it even just to scroll around, especially when I'm in the browser, just to avoid getting the iPad full of fingerprint. It actually helped minimize the fingerprint that you actually put on your tablet. So I'm done with that. So guilt trip, this is, I hope you guys like it. This is YouTube PMHK. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. So this is gonna be it for this video, this quick iPad review. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel as the message says there. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up if you actually liked the video, if the video was of any help, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Peace.